Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Roberto Cavalli model, Montemignaio RC1086 in color code 47G. It's a shiny rose gold color frame. On the temples here, we have a Roberto Cavalli emblem in gold. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the other side of the temple with the same Roberto Cavalli emblem. The lenses are an amber mirror color. The style of the frame is fashion cat eye. And they are 100% UV protected with this sticker over here. Up here we have a Roberto Cavalli case to put your glasses in, and a microfiber cleaning cloth.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.